Welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 North Trail Caliber Edition 28 RKDS. This is a newer floor plan for the North Trail lineup. They came out with it actually on the 18.5 version. So we'll take a few minutes, walk you around the outside and inside of this new coach. This again is the Caliber upgrade, which is an optional package. I'll kind of go over that as we go through things, but that is important when you're looking at them because not all North Trails are the same if they don't have that package. On this unit you have the fiberglass cap. This is a 3/4 cap, comes down to roughly here, and then they have a diamond plate metal across the front section there. That helps keep the camper from getting beat up as bad. The other caps on some models come all the way down, and then they tend to get rock chips and things beating them up. So it's easier to repair and replace the diamond plate if that were to happen versus trying to fix a cracked cap or something along those lines. So it's a real nice upgrade. Gives it better water protection on the front as the cap kind of rolls over the sidewalls, you can kind of see here, instead of being just a flat style corner trim on some other models. So you got a nice cap upgrade here. Lower diamond plate again. You have LED lights built in to kind of shine out over the front. There is a hitch light area down here, and you also have a light on the tongue jack too. So you've got 4 lights just shining out over the front of the coach. Power tongue jack on this unit, again part of the Caliber upgrade. 20-pound propane tanks with the hard cover. This camper comes with 1 deep cycle battery included. You can, that is by the dealer by the way, not necessarily by the factory. You can do 2 batteries. There is room for that if you wanted to do that. Up here in the corner is solar prep. If you wanted to do a portable solar panel, you can. You also have some 12-volt resettable circuit breakers here. Some of these set themselves, but there's one, for example, has a little black push button to reset it if it trips out. So those are there to kind of protect the camper from the 12-volt system and vice versa kind of thing. This, again, with the Caliber upgraded package, has the power awning, power stabilizer jacks. You've got slam lock baggage door upgrade. Got a really nice entry step that goes from the ground all the way up. So it's a little more sturdy and secure when you're walking in and out, can hold more weight. Nice large pass-through storage compartment here. Those little white boxes there, that's where your power jacks go up and down. You have LED lights in here. The catches to hold the door are magnetic here, so no plastic latches to break. Nice upgraded slam lock. Down below here you can see the power stabilizers. Nice enclosed underbelly down here. The camper has deep tint safety glass windows. That is really important to point out because some brands are doing just clear glass. And when it sits outside, over time you go inside and the thing's faded out in certain spots on your materials and carpets or vinyls, things like that. So those tinted windows, nice upgrade. Nice wide entry door, screen door. It's got the upgraded wide track axle system, so the axles are spread apart. That actually helps with sway when traveling on the highway. So a nice little upgrade there. Aluminum wheels. These particular tires are 225/75 R 15-inch tires on this coach. Nice big window overlooking your campsite from inside. Large folding entry handle. The awning does have an LED light that is built into the tube up here when it's turned on. And you also have adjustable pitch arms for the awning to tilt. Got your furnace exhaust there, electric outlet there, 2 outdoor speakers up above that window there. Outside small little kitchen area here. Down below you have low point water drains and a gas line hookup for an outside grill if you wanted to do some sort of grill or stove. In here you have your sink, a light, some storage boxes back there. You have TV hookups here if you wanted to do a TV outside. Small little fridge. Little pull-out shelf here. Again, magnetic catches on the doors here. Gutters run down both sides of the camper, and they also have the larger 3-inch gutter extensions. The roof has a nice crown to it, so it does have better shedding water capabilities there to kind of get the rain off. The bike rack or luggage rack on the back, part of the Caliber package upgrade. Pre-wired for backup camera up there if you wanted to do the backup camera system. And you got your stove exhaust vent there and your refrigerator access panel for maintenance here. On the back corner you have your power cord hookup, cable satellite inlet, and the 6-gallon gas and electric Atwood water heater located back there. And there is a bypass on the water heater for winterizing purposes. It's directly on the back side of the water heater. Dump valves for the back tank, because again it's a rear kitchen model, so that it has its own little tank area back here and dumping back here. Electric slide goes in and out, works off of 12-volt power. Outside utility shower, so you got hot and cold water out here. Your black tank flush to clean the toilet system out. And city water hookups here. Your gray and black tank dump up here for the bathroom shower area. Portable water fill-up tank is right here. The other side of the storage compartment, a little bit smaller door on this side. Magnetic holder again. This particular coach, let's see here, 225/75 R15 E-range tires. 80 PSI it goes up to, it says. And basically it has a gross vehicle weight of 8,600 pounds. And you have two 4,400 pound axles on the coach, plus some tongue weight. And we'll get to the dry weight sticker when we get around to that side. Be sure to check out more of our videos. Couch's RV Nation is a good place to go. They're one of the largest wholesale RV dealers in the country. They let me do these videos for you guys. So be sure to check them out. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. When you're walking up into the coach here, it's got a little sticker on it that points out the fact that this is a 2-inch thick laminated sidewall. A lot of lightweight trailers are only 1.5 inches, or on some cases as small as 1 inch thick. So this is a really good thing to check into as you are looking at the construction of your camper. That's going to affect your insulation value. Model number is usually located right by the door, and then a lot of times manufacturer. Here on the sticker going in the door, it has another weight sticker here, basically telling us the unloaded weight of this camper is 6,680. Has a carrying capacity, it says, of 1,894 pounds. So there's some more information there. Walking up into the coach, nice, beautiful layout here. The little table here is actually freestanding. It's a floating little storage table. That can obviously stay where it's at, or you can move it in between the reclining chairs if you want, after you get there and get yourself set up. Nice LED lights running down the ceiling. Ducted air conditioning system. This is also a nice solid laminated roof. This is a solid roof. So this is super strong compared to a lot of the hollow roof styles. Foam block laminated roof system. Foam block laminated walls, and also laminated floor system. Pushback recliners. Again, you can see the nice big window looking out over your campsite. Part of the Caliber upgraded package is the solid surface countertops. So a nice solid surface countertop and sink cover upgrade. Stainless undermount sink instead of plastic. Good high-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. Got a drawer here, and then you have a little pet drawer thing down here for food and water. Furnace coming out there is one of the heat ducts. Electric outlet down here. You've got a couple drawers back on this side. Electric breakers below the stove there. It's got some fuses and electric breakers. Propane leak detector down there. Some storage under here. Standard 16-inch Suburban gas oven. Does have the nicer glass stovetop cover that folds over. Little backsplash. It's a Dometic refrigerator on this model. This is the 6 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator system. Normal RV fridge. So this will work off propane, electricity. Some of the brands out there on the market are getting into the residential style, so that is a little different here. You've got a traditional RV refrigerator. Has instructions on how to work it, but basically a little push button system up here to make it turn on and off. Another little pantry area over on the side. And then you have an access panel to get to the water heater down here for bypassing down underneath of the refrigerator there. Dinette system here. This one was ordered with the booth. If you want to do a freestanding, that's a doable option. But this is a booth, so you have storage underneath. We'll make into a bed. Nice big window looking over that side. Nice decorative overhead lighting. A lot of vinyl floor throughout the coach. A little bit here where the slide area needs to come in and out and kind of hide some of the slide mechanism stuff. Here you've got your optional TV system, DVD stereo system, the central vac feature. That is an option. Your digital thermostat. There's a little switch down here. Part of the Caliber upgrade is a porcelain bowl flip flush toilet instead of plastic, so that's a nice upgrade. Some light switches, fan switch, got a roof fan up there. Got the glassed-in shower, air conditioning in here, heat in here. Ground fault electric breaker over there. Your panel for the water heater, gas electric buttons, water pump, and your monitoring panel here. Sliding door goes into the bedroom. Does have a metal latch to lock it from inside the bedroom. Camper queen. So you're basically 60 inches wide, about 75 inches long roughly. You've got hanging closet on each side of the bed. There's also a little nightstand there, and there is an electric outlet back there too. They do an electric outlet on both sides of the bed with the little nightstand, light on each side of the bed. Got a vent up here. The bed does raise up for storage underneath. Window on the other side. Got some more TV hookups here if you wanted to mount a small flat screen in the bedroom area. Door just comes around, latches in here. Then you got your hallway door over on the other side to get out. Again, just another quick video. Be sure to check us out, couchesrvnation.com. My name is Ray. I am one of the salespeople here at couchesrvnation.com. If you're interested in the camper, please give me a call. I'll be glad to sell you one. Toll-free number is 888-417-8299. My direct extension is 203. Again, Ray with Couches RV Nation. Thanks for checking out my videos.